Hello everyone, welcome back to Cosmophile Tarot PH. This reading is for our Leo friends for the month of October regarding their career, finances, and relationship. So, just a simple reminder, this is a collective reading. So, marami po ditong makaka-resonate and yung iba naman ay hindi. Depende po kasi sa energy na naitatap, no? So, I am inviting you to subscribe and hopefully, pag hindi na po ako busy sa aking mga inaayos, marami tayong updates para sa per zodiac. So, yan. Let's start. We have ritual and we have healing. This is regarding your career first, Leo. So, there is a ritual. So, meron kayong, meron kayong minamanifest. Parang, this is regarding your job application for some of you. Yung mga nag-a-apply pa lang. So, meron kayong minamanifest dito na certain position or certain slot sa ina-applyan nyo, no? At the same time, there is healing. So, meron ditong parang kumbaga before parang mailap kayong makahanap ng work, but now lahat ng mga in-applyan nyo ay tatawag siya because there's something na na-heal sa inyo. Okay, possible na ito kasi yung kumbaga dati may blockages, ngayon parang nawala siya. Okay, parang meron din kayong dumaan kayo sa spiritual awakening, no? So, parang merong strong connection na kayo. That's why parang yung blockage nyo, kung ano man yung blockage nyo sa career before, ay nawala na and this is a new start. So, magandang start ito for you this coming October kasi ayan na, binigay na sa inyo ni Universe. So, hinihintay nyo na lang. Meron din tayong self-creation. Ayan, be the author of your own life. So, dito napapasok, Leo, yung pagiging creative. Ayan, parang this is your time to shine. Just do your best. Wag kang, of course, kayang-kaya mo yan, Leo, no? Marami kang kakompetensya, pero at the end of the day, you will emerge victorious, sabi nga, no? Basta't, gawin mo yung iyong best, okay? Tapos, when it comes to your finances, ayan, there's a tranquility, merong magi-ignite dito na, ayun nga, because of this healing, related din siya dito, na nagamot na, kung ano yung blockages mo, nawala na siya finally. Lahat ng pabigat sa'yo ay nawala na. So, meron tayo ditong tranquility. Ayan, meron kasing candle dito, no? So, this symbolizes yung new beginning. Parang panibagong, parang panibagong chance mo to save, to grow, kung ano man yung money. Kasi depende dito yan sa career mo this coming October. There's a manifestation, tapos merong wish ka na mafu-fulfill. That's why, of course, pag na-hit mo yung trabaho na yan, magbibigay talaga yan sa'yo ng abundance. So, yan yung way mo para makapag-manifest ng money. Kaya, galingan mo, Leo, and the card is saying na kayang-kaya mo siya. There is this self-creation. So, ano pa when it comes to our money? Ayan, trust. So, trust the process. Kasi kapag wala kang trust, napakahirap ditong pagalawin yung iyong finances. So, sinasabi dito na you have to trust yourself. Kung ano man yung, of course, kung ano man yung kaya mong gawin, kayang-kaya mo. Meron tayong, dito, basta trust your skills, your strength, and magtutuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng pera sa iyo. Now, let's see, meron pa pala, sorry. Ito. So, i-confirm lang natin yung finances. Ayan, open mind. Ayun nga, o, diba? Tandem siya. Open mind saka trust. Replace the old cycle with a new and exciting one. So, panahon mo ngayon, Leo, na gumalaw, na magpakitang gilas. So, finally, there will be a, parang, kung dati nasa shadow ka, Leo, no? Nasa shadow ka na hindi ka nila masyadong pansin. Now is your time to shine, to prove yourself, na kayang-kaya mong makipagsabayan sa mga tao sa paligid mo. So, this is your new beginning, new opportunities coming. Now, when it comes to your love life, may coffee cup, uy, parang may makakadate ka dito, Leo, no? Ayan, merong makakadate, possible na friendly date na nasa getting to know each other pa lang kayo na stage. Ayan, may soulmate. So, possible na ito ay parang hahantong sa relationship, sa isang romantic relationship, no? So, mukhang inspired ka ngayon, Leo. But there is an axe. So, ayan, meron kang, some of you, Leo, meron kayong phobia pa or trauma sa inyong past relationships. That's why, kung sino yung inyong makakadate and possible na siya yung iyong maging parang partner, but you still have hesitation kasi because of your previous relationship, ayan, parang medyo nahirapan kang magtiwala. Ayan, may the snake competition. So, the other woman, because of this snake na to, sa iyong past relationship na parang natakot ka magtiwala. Pero, ito, may coffee cup kasi, so, ayan o, savoring the moment. So, enjoy ka lang, Leo, kung sino yung iyong makakadate. And, i-let go mo na yung past kasi hindi siya makakatulong sa iyong future love life. So, paano mo mahahanap si the one kung nag-i-stick ka sa past relationship mo na ganito, di ba? Yan. So, let's see kung ano yung message pa ng Guardian Angels. Ayan, play. Beloved one, it's time to set aside work for a while. Ayan, don't worry, we will oversee your responsibilities to their completion. Playfulness and laughter will lift your energy so that you'll return to work with a renewed perspective and heightened energy. Kaya naman pala meron kang makakadate eh. The advice for you is to balance. Wag lang palaging work. Wag lang palaging yung mga responsibilities mo sa iyong career, sa workplace. Tapos, of course, nag-iisip ka pa kung paano kikita pa. Wala namang masama doon, no? We all want abundance in our life. Pero, yun nga sabi, don't forget to play, to parang makibanding ka rin sa iba. Ayan, kung merong nag-aaya ng friendly date, then why not? Just savor the moment, sabi. Ano pa? Oh, di ba, relationship? Your primary relationship is with yourself and God. So, bukod dito sa relationship na parang binibigay sa'yo ng ating mga angels, kasi alam nila na parang nai-stress ka rin sa work. Of course, meron tayong dapat na i-build na relationship kay God na mas na stronger pa. I know you are praying really well every day, Leo, pero sabi dito, iba kasi yung magiging impact noon sa'yo once na you are with our source. So, ano siya, ayan, as you feel safe and loved within, so shall your other relationships bloom and prosper. So, because of this, siguro, no, yung yung previous relationship mo na hindi naging maganda. Sabi ng angels natin, magbalik loob ka kung nawalan ka na ng tiwala dati na magmahal because of your past experience, then let go kasi hindi siya makakatulong sa mga future sa mga future relationship mo, di ba? And ayan, the ocean, mag-cleanse ka rin. Pwedeng yung date nyo, ayan, coffee cup, pwedeng by the beach, ayan. Pwede yan para at least, di ba, ma-relax. And malaking tulong to para sa mental health mo, Leo, for this October. So, balance lang. Love life and career, balance lang. So, kayang-kaya mo yan, Leo. You have the ritual here, no? So, ayan, may ano ka pa. May trust ka pa. So, just trust the universe and yung tao sa paligid mo. Okay? Yun lang, Leo. Thank you for watching. Good luck.